Hello class. And welcome to Cooking Club. I'm Mr. Michael, the cafeteria man, and I will be your teacher for Cooking Club. You can cook whatever you want to cook. You may begin.
I'm going to make a chocolate cake.
I'm going to make ramen noodles.
I'm going to make Mexican tacos.
I'm going to make diarrhea churros. Ha 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 ha.
All right class. Time's up. It's time to show your meals. Open. Okay then. Now I will test your meals. First up is Paul. Wow! Yummy! Paul, that was a marvelous chocolate cake you made. And for that, I will give you an A+.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. Michael, the cafeteria man.
You're welcome, Paul. Next up is James with his food. Yummy! James, that was a very good ramen noodles you made. And for that, I will give you an A.
Cool. Thank you, Mr. Michael, the cafeteria man.
You're welcome, James. Next is Allison. The filling is okay, and the taco bread isn't too bad. You get a B+, Allison.
Okay. Thanks, Mr. Michael, the cafeteria man.
You're welcome. And finally, we have Simon.
Ha 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 ha. You threw up.
Oh, Simon, that was the worst diarrhea churros you have ever made. That's it. You get an F-, and you failed Cooking Club. Go to the principal's office right now.
So Simon, why are you here?
I made diarrhea churros in Cooking Club.
Oh my God. Simon. You know that you're not allowed to make diarrhea churros. That's it. You are suspended for 7 weeks. Go home right now.
Simon. How dare you fail Cooking Club at school? That's it. You are grounded for 463 weeks.
Now go upstairs to your room right now.
Yeah.